Stop clicking buttons like it's 2010. Manual testing is a bottleneck, and if you're not using agentic AI, you're falling behind. Quality engineering is undergoing a revolution. We're moving from reactive verification to proactive agentic workflows that understand your code. Today we cover requirements to test generation, script authoring with Playwright, autonomous bug triage, and the forensic audit workflow. We're going deep into Claude and the model context protocol. Remember, green builds are not luck, they are methodology. Traditional QA is a grind. You're wasting 70% of your time on repetitive verification instead of real discovery. That ends now. We're shifting from reactive verification to proactive quality engineering. Dive in. Traditional QA is a grind. We waste 70% of our time on repetitive verification instead of complex discovery. The velocity gap is real. AI coding tools ship 400% faster, but testing has stayed in the slow lane. Enter the agentic shift. Claude isn't just a chatbot anymore. It's a junior SDET that actually understands your codebase. By offloading 70% of repetitive tasks, your team can finally focus on high-level strategy and edge cases. You can't rely on luck to find bugs in a modern microservices architecture. You need a scalable system. We call this harness engineering. Claude reads your entire codebase and identifies exactly where your coverage is lacking. Manual scripting creates maintenance debt that crushes your team. We need a way to automate the automation. In one experiment, Claude generated 50 tests in just 5 minutes. That's a task that takes a human 8 hours. It's not just about speed, it's about reasoning depth. The agent understands the business logic inside your functions. This ensures that your test harness is actually protective, not just a set of vanity metrics that greenwash your failures. To get there, we use the RCTF framework: role, context, task, and format. It's how we prompt for quality. It doesn't just build the happy path, it finds the negative tests, boundary cases, and edge cases you usually miss. Traditional scripts are brittle. One UI change and everything breaks. But Claude Code brings self-healing to the table. It identifies those non-obvious gaps before development even starts. You're preventing bugs, not just finding them. Assign Claude the role of a senior QA architect. This fundamentally changes the depth of its reasoning. The agent analyzes logical assumptions and asks for clarification on undefined user permissions. That's real QA strategy. This is how you get a robust test suite that actually catches regressions before they hit the customer. Methodology. Whether it's GitHub, Playwright, or your SQL database, Claude has the context it needs to act as a teammate. These are JSON-defined functions that Claude can invoke to perform real-world actions across your environment. MCP solves the integration problem. No more bespoke connectors for every tool. One protocol for everything. The secret sauce is the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. It's the universal bridge that lets Claude talk to your systems. Claude is your assistant, not your replacement. Use it to offload the grind so you can focus on the strategy. When a locator fails, Claude reads the diff, identifies the fix, and updates the code before you even commit. It doesn't just guess. It inspects the browser's accessibility tree, a semantic representation that is rock solid. This eliminates the maintenance tax. You spend more time building and less time babysitting your automation suite. Claude Code is a CLI tool that runs in your terminal. It understands your local environment and project files. It can launch a browser, follow reproduction steps, and capture evidence. It's the ultimate forensic audit tool. Real-world results at OpenObserve show an 85% reduction in flaky tests. 85%, that's strategy. It patches the code, verifies the fix, and creates the PR. The healer agent handles the grind for you. If you want more deep dives into this technical methodology, hit that subscribe button for QA Revolution right now. Use Case 3, Intelligent Bug Triage. Claude can scan live reports from GitHub and check if they're in scope. With a 200,000 token context window, Claude can analyze massive logs to find the true root cause. It drafts the regression test immediately to prevent the bug from ever resurfacing. Methodology over luck every time. If you want more Green Builds insights, hit that subscribe button for QA Revolution right now. We value evidence over luck. Next, script authoring. Claude generates Playwright or Cypress code that actually follows the page object model. We're even seeing the Council of Agents pattern. An architect plans the tests and an engineer writes the code. A healer agent diagnoses failures. This specialized approach ensures higher quality than any single general prompt. It navigates the UI, tries various inputs, and produces a detailed report. It's like having a senior tester on demand. But remember, Claude is an assistant, not a replacement. You still need human judgment for business logic. AI can have false confidence. Always validate your artifacts. Strategy is about accuracy, not just speed. The QA revolution is shifting your role from a scriptwriter to a strategy designer. You orchestrate the quality. You're no longer just finding bugs, you're building systems that prevent them. That's the competitive edge. Look at zero input testing. Provide a URL and credentials, and the agent fully explores and executes a test plan. It weights risks, explores flows, and reports results, all while you focus on high-level system architecture. Firms are seeing a 30% reduction in manual review time within the first week of adoption. It's immediate ROI. Up to 85% fewer flaky tests means more stable builds and faster production deployments. That's quality. Then there's agentic exploratory testing. Tell Claude to find 5 ways the checkout might fail and watch it work. Zero input testing is the endgame. You provide a URL and the agent performs harness engineering in real time. Use Claude for requirements, automate your authoring, and leverage MCP for autonomous triage. These are the new tools. Less flakiness, less grind, and more strategic impact. That's what Claude Code and MCP bring to your desk today. Join the revolution, shift left, and remember, green builds are not luck. They are methodology every single time. Requirements, script authoring, bug triage, and the forensic audit. These are the tools of the modern quality engineer. Less flakiness, less grind, and more strategic impact. That's what Claude Code and MCP bring to your desk. Head to corevolution.com to get the full breakdown and the reference sheet for your own shop. Get started now. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into the technical side of QA. I'm just getting started. I'll see you in the next run. Keep your builds green and your methodology sharp. Methodology is the only way forward. Because remember, green builds are not luck. They are methodology. Sign off from QA Revolution. Build it right.